Hey, what is up, y'all? It is Rafe back with another video. I know I haven't been posting recently. It's because I had a lot of stuff to do. I look like a complete bum right now. Yeah, I got my hair braided. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I curled my Fossey hair. You know, a lot of shrinkage, very rough, very thick, very dense. But yeah, I actually got it to work. It was literally my first time, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So stay tuned.
Just wanna hop in my spaceship and get away from the fakeness. Your life gon' be just what you make it. I swear I'm sick of the hatred to hide the pain. All these blunts I be facing, so trapped, feel like I'm stuck in the matrix.
Alright, so what you're actually going to need is some curling cream. I actually use the Cantu curling cream just to lay down my hair follicles, because you know Fossey hair is very fragile, and yeah, I just use it to trap in the moisture and to curl my hair. It's really up to you. Why is this bug? Anyway. Yeah, but you are going to need hair oil. I use coconut oil. Any oil will work for you depending on what your hair like or what you like to use. It's really up to you. What you would also need is a curl activator. I'm using Roll of Curls. Any curl activator will work, but I suggest using this because it softens and moisturizes the hair, so it's pretty good. I really like it, but anyone would work. It's really up to you. It's personal preference. Another one is Eco Styler Gel. I highly suggest using the Argan Oil one with the red cap because this blends pretty well with almost everything. I don't know about the other ones, but yeah, this would pretty much hold the curls well. So yeah. You'll also need a spray bottle. It's up to you if you want to use cold or warm water. The cold water would leave your hair more defined. You know, it would flatten the hair and you'll see your curls more better. As for the warm water, it would frizz out your hair and give your hair more volume, but the curls will still be there. It'll still look okay. But yeah, I use warm water because this was literally my first time curling my hair, but it did came out quite well. So literally what I did here was just decondition my hair overnight. If this isn't your wash day, then you can just do a cold wash and then decondition for like 15 to 10 minutes. But I did mine overnight to get the maximum hydration. It's really up to you on what you want. But it really left my hair soft. I could run my fingers through it and it felt real good. Alright, so you want to section your hair. And be sure to oil your scalp before you section it, because I've made the mistake of doing it. And grab any oil of your choice, any oil that works for your hair, and massage it in thoroughly. After you're done oiling your scalp, you want to grab your spray bottle and you want to spray through your hair. Make sure that it's wet because it helps a lot when you're trying to curl it too. After you're done soaking your hair, you want to grab your Cantu curling cream and you want to apply it to your hair, a generous amount. There you go. And just gently massage it through. Get everything, your roots and your ends as well. Don't forget to grab your comb and detangle your hair. The curling cream adds a lot of slip, so it should be easy to detangle. If it gets dry, you can always spray water on it if you need to. Alright, so it's up to you if you want to split your sessions into smaller parts. I did this so that I can apply the products more easier. Alright, so I'm going to go on with the World of Curls Curl Activator. And what you want to do is just, as you apply it, you want to rake through your hair and comb through it as well. And detangle it. Get it as single as possible. Just single through it like I'm doing right now. And yeah. Alright, so you want to go on with the Eco Styler gel. It's really going to hold the curls well. You want to rake through your hair and shingle it as you go. You want to get it as detangled as possible. Alright, so you can already see just a little bit of curls, but after you're done with that step, you want to be sure to define your curls with a little bit more eco. Doesn't need to be a lot, just a tad bit, and you want to start twisting and shingling just small bits and pieces of your hair so that the curls can start forming in. Alright, so after you're done defining your curls, you want to be sure to repeat the same thing. Like I said, water, Cantu, your curling activator, and your Eco Styler, and just try to define your curls as best as possible. Alright, so when you're done, you want to be sure to shake your hair. For some reason, this shaking method really helps curls the hair well. But you want to do not be vigorous with it, because I'm telling you, this really gives me a headache. Just shake your hair gently and your curls will pop more. So yeah.